Hello, hi, welcome to my channel, Hours Computer Learning. My name is Tarika Dedipya and present topic is CSS. Click the subscribe button, click the bell icon for interesting topics about CSS. So friends, today we are going to see about the CSS box module lesson number 11. All HTML elements can be considered as boxes in CSS, the terms of the box module, and is used when talking about the designs and layouts. So the CSS box module is initial as a box that wraps around every HTML element. It consists of margin, border, padding and the actual content also. The image below, that means the image of beside this one illustrated the box module. So explanation of the different parts: content, padding and border, margin. So content, the content of the box where text and image appears. And padding clears an area around the content. The padding is transparent. And border, the border that goes around the padding and content. Margin clears an area outside the border. The margin is transparent. The box module allows us to add a border around the element and to define space between elements. So example to demonstrate the box model. This was the example for the demonstration of the box model. So you can try by yourself or else wait for my notepad explanation. So next we are going to see about the width and height of an element. In order to set the width and height of an element correctly in all browsers, you need to know how the box works. So first important is, when you set the width and height property of an element with CSS, you just set the width and height of the content area. To calculate the full size of an element, you must also add padding, border and margin also. For example, here is the divide element will have a total width of 350 pixel. How the total of 350 pixel? So here we have written the width is 320, padding is 10, border is 5 pixel of gray. So here is the result. Here we calculate like this, that 320 pixel of width, right plus left plus right padding, left plus right border and left plus right margin. So here we have the padding as 10 pixel. Right and left will be a 20 and border is 5. Right and left will be a 10. So here you can see the 20 plus 10. So calculating the all, to 320 plus 20 plus 10, it will be result 320 plus 20 is 340. 340 plus 10 is 350. So here I am going to tell again the total width of an element and the should be calculated like this. Again I am telling, total element width is equals to left padding plus right padding plus left border plus right border plus left margin plus right margin plus width, and the total height of an element should be calculated like this. Total element height is equals to height plus top padding plus bottom padding plus top border and bottom border plus top margin plus bottom margin. For height we used to calculate top and bottom. For width we calculate the right and left. So from tomorrow we are going to see about the CSS outlets. It is very important topic and we use our CSS outlets in our web designings also. So please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Signing off, Tarika Dedipya. Bye. Signing off, Tarika Dedipya. Thank you for watching Hours Computer Learning. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Subscribe button, bell icon.